You're watching Skylands, the local bird's eye view. My name is Bart, and I will be your host and pilot in command of this mission. Today on the docket, we have a few things. First, we have the winner of last week's contest. Also, a special thanks to Mr. Brandon Bove, and the story of Pequannock and the Pompton Plains. First, Oleg Lebedev correctly guessed the location of last week's challenge. It was the firewood stand at the Van Vogt Farms in Wanacue. Shout out to Brandon for letting me fly from his property. Footage from that will appear on a future episode of Skylands. So without further ado, sit back, relax, put your headphones on, and enjoy the show. Today's mission takes us to the sprawling towns of Pequannock and Pompton Plains located in northwestern New Jersey. These lands were once occupied by the Lenni Lenape Native American tribe prior to 1695, after which in 1696 it was sold to the Dutch and English settlers who were started farming the plains in Pompton Valley. Fun fact, did you know that Pequannock has a collection of Paleolithic tools used for hunting by the Paleo-Indians that date back to 3000 BC? Pequannock was originally called PACH-QUA-KOCK, which means cleared land ready for cultivation, and the name Pompton means a place where there's a crook in a river. Here's another fun fact. The township is made up of the remains of a glacial lake called Lake Passaic that has long been extinct. Pequannock Township was an important travel route and rest stop for George Washington and his generals during the American Revolution. Pequannock Township and Pompton Plains have lots of great historical landmarks, such as the Pompton Liberty Bell and the Morris Canal Pompton Feeder Lock that's built into the dam. Today, I'm going to tell you a story of one of these historical landmarks called the Giles Mandeville House. The Giles Mandeville House dates back to 1788. When it was given as a wedding present to Giles and Sarah Mandeville by Sarah's father. It is one of the remaining small stone houses in existence today. On the east side of the house, above the window, there are rods of wrought iron with the number 11788 to indicate that it was built in January 1788. Sarah Mandeville had an enslaved African-American woman named Massey. Records show that Sarah and Massey were close, and the house was used as a branch in the Underground Railroad. There are also records of African-American women giving birth at the home while traveling the Underground Railroad. Today, it stands as part of the Dutch Reformed Church and is part of the fabric of the neighborhood. If you like what you saw, please support us by hitting that subscribe button, and we'll see you here next week on the next episode of Skylands. Bart, pilot in command, signing off.